What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video, not on Jasmy, which you're looking at right now, but on XRP. Alright, we have to do an update here. We're basically, right now, if you look at the price, and welcome to the channel by the way if you're new, but if you look at the price right now, we're basically at the same level as yesterday, and I would actually say that we are slightly more bullish than yesterday. Which is a weird thing to say, but no, XRP is one of the only cryptos that's actually been holding on relatively well. Yesterday we got some positive jobs data, alright, it was worse than expected, which usually is bullish for crypto. But now this data came packaged in a jacket of recession fears, which is obviously bearish for risk on assets, and it also caused some spikes for XRP. But the level we talked about for the last couple of days, this level right here at 56 cents, which I first talked about right here on Thursday, that if we would drop down there, that would probably be a good buy, has been holding on, has been clutch, all right? I mean, look at this. It's sometimes, and that's why I still do think that technical analysis works to a certain extent. I don't believe that technical analysis on its own can make you profitable. There are there are way too much fundamental factors influencing the price that matter as well. But in combination with fundamentals, which I still do think that XRP has decent fundamentals. I think XRP has good fundamentals if you compare to the market right now, because most cryptos right now are doing nothing. They're absolutely flat. And at least with Ripple, we still have some sort of an expectation of bullish news coming soon. So unless we get bearish news, or unless we get no news at all, which is basically also bearish news, I still think we're going to see some nice movement. But alright, no, that support level has been holding us up relatively well. We're getting some bottom signals here, which is all great. And then what you can see as well is that XRP against Bitcoin is doing relatively well as well. This is the daily time frame. I think it looks bullish there. It's at a major resistance level, of course. But here it's consolidating, and I would argue it's going towards the top of the consolidation. So the thing is that I have turned a bit more bearish on the markets. And even though XRP against the markets has been holding on relatively well, right? I don't think, like, this weekend will be fine. I think this weekend we'll be able to stabilize, and XRP might even get some bullish momentum up to that level right here at 60 cents. Which, by the way, if we break above that, I said that I would buy. In these circumstances, I will not buy anymore. It's just too risky. But so I do expect us to hold the levels we're at right now, 56 cents. And potentially we can get some sort of a nice move with momentum. I think that's a possibility, but because of the market circumstances, I have turned a little bit more fearful on if we're actually going to be able to hold 56 cents and break above 60 cents. All right, that would have been my ideal scenario, so that we have a strong support level right here. We get a bullish breakout, and then you enter after the breakout, and then we get bullish news, and you can get this last move up. That was my strategy. For now, honestly, I would not trade XRP. I think it's likely we'll hold this level, but I also, like I said, I've turned a little bit more bearish on the markets, at least for next week. And when next week will return to be bearish and the recession fears continue, then I ultimately XRP is not going to be able to hold that. All right, and the moment we drop down below 56 cents and we close down, we lose that level, then the next main support level is like 10% lower at 50 cents, which, by the way, 50 cents again is a pretty interesting level to buy from. So keep that in mind. But I don't necessarily expect this. We'll check back tomorrow as well. So I don't necessarily expect this, but I think the probability of this happening is too high for me to buy XRP here. All right, so I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep you updated. For now, I think this is, unfortunately, in the next week, the most likely scenario. With this weekend being the exception, right? This weekend we can still do some nice things on the short term. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.